Washington DC é casa para energia sustentável durante esse anos diante. No momento aqui, parte clave de energia sustentável está reunir com diferentes mandatários e representantes do país da nossa região para assim dialogar sobre o futuro de energia sustentável. O Primeiro-Ministro Eman também acudiu no Caribbean Energy Security Summit aqui para assim de conhecer o desenvolvimento de Aruba riba energia alternativa mirando a visão para uma Aruba sustentável na 2020.
Para prosseguir em uma direção de energia sustentável, o governo tem um rol importante para cumprir com o para fazer isso possível. Premier Eman elaborar mais sobre isso durante a conferência Caribbean Energy Security Summit.
Very special thanks to the Vice President for organizing this event. It is a unique moment for reflection on our opportunities to make the transition to sustainable energy. And listening to all the different parties today during breakfast and lunch and the different sessions we had, it is clear that there is an important role for government to play, and that fits within the context of what Aruba has been doing the last couple of years. As countries develop, you see that a lot of the responsibilities of government are being taken over by the private sector, by NGOs, by foundations, but there will always remain a very important role for government. In all the different groups that take responsibility within a community, you will see employers' organizations, employees' organizations, NGOs, and everyone, or the private sector, that has a very particular interest. But the role of government will always be the one that will have to look onto the common good of the citizens.
Banda di Esaki também toca no governo uma responsabilidade grande para por chegar numa Aruba sustentável na 2020, maneira que a projeção não.
With all the technology nowadays for information to get faster to our citizens, it is still the role of government to design and implement a vision together with the community to where we will have to go as country and citizens. It is the role of government to create that pathway and inspire citizens to believe in a certain direction and get the community and the whole country to buy in to that direction. No other institution in a country will take that whole responsibility of the direction of a country. And so when we talk about sustainable energy and the conversion from conventional energy to 100% sustainable energy, as Aruba has set out for 2020, it is the first task of government to lay out this vision and to work with the community, to inspire the community, create support for the idea.
E mira atrás, Premier Eman está dando a conhecer que por mira desenvolvimento positivo andando e acaba para algum tempo para o que trata uma Aruba verde e sustentável. Atrás arriba diferentes aspectos que já acaba por mira su fruto.
We are at almost 30% of our total capacity based on sustainable energy, and that we have reached these high numbers in a fast pace. That part of that success was a great effort to convince community, stakeholders in the community to be part of this mission, and also excite world organizations like the Carbon War Room. We have Mr. Figueres here, who joined with Aruba in this pathway towards total sustainability by 2020. And why is it important to create this vision and create the excitement and create the optimism? Is because there are a lot of stakeholders that have a different interest. Once we put the purpose of convening everyone towards becoming totally sustainable. One of them is our utility companies, who have a tradition in the way they produce energy. And when you start talking about transition to total sustainability with them, you see they break out in sweat. It is, I say very often, like asking a turkey to prepare Thanksgiving dinner. So if you really want to make this conversion, it's very important. One of the first tasks, besides developing the vision, is to get the utilities along. And that's something we have done in Aruba.
Noticia Awenochi, a mitad Simon.